just for you. To all of you, the good Lord take good care of all of you and keep you safe. Did you know
Hawaiian music came precariously close to dying out, or so we thought, in the early 1970s, when we could count on our fingers the number of steel guitar players, when we could listen to only one radio station that played Hawaiian music of any kind, when it was very difficult to find Hawaiian music being played in Waikiki and other places. So a few of us organized the Hawaiian Music Foundation in a deliberate attempt to revive the music. And this was, I think, a fascinating experiment in deliberately reviving a culture, because out of our efforts came the Hawaiian Renaissance in large part.
Young Hawaiians were becoming more aware of their heritage, trying to go back to discover their language and their customs, and also became quite activist in trying to regain their Hawaiian lands, so that it was not just an artistic movement, but it was also a very important social and political movement as well.
In the late 60s and early 70s, when I graduated from high school and started playing music, I was looking for things to play music that interested me. And those things took me away from the islands and traveled. And it was upon returning back home in early 1971 that I touched upon what for me was a very good realization, and that was I could sing music, but in order to sing music from the heart, it had to deal with the environment that I was living in.
Hawaiian music has always been a part of my life, growing up here in Hawaii and actually attending school and really never living away from Hawaii. The family started the Hawaiian Music Appreciation, and it continues through my life today. And I think I'm part of a generation, a fortunate generation, that has had the opportunity to learn the music, enjoy the music of those that have gone before us, our kupuna, and perpetuate what they have started.
The music for us, our group Olomana and myself, has given us an opportunity to meet and delve back into those things which are Hawaiian, those things that are fundamental to life in Hawaii, and that is the protection of the land and the natural things that are so much a part of Hawaiian culture. For us, that is trying to keep it alive by bringing thoughts of it into the music.
And I think whatever we can do as musicians and performers and composers to bring to those that are not living in Hawaii the spirit and aloha of Hawaii, then that is our mission, and that's what we enjoy doing. And aloha mai.
It's there in the air. Can you feel it? Hawaii is calling.